I've been keeping a massive secret from you guys. We are moving and our listing photos are at 3 p.m. and it is 11:28 and our guest bathroom is still a disaster. So I'm partnering with Walmart on today's video to give this bathroom a refresh. We are moving, we're listing the house and it needs to look fantastic. When our realtor came, she was like, Kiva, it looks like no one lives in this bathroom, which is true. This is my daughter's bathroom. Like pretty much we only have like bluey stuff in here and that's not really what we want to read when someone comes to tour our home. So I'm thinking of doing like spring garden party because it's springtime or it's almost springtime. I want it to feel lively, jubilant. I want people to imagine themselves living here. And I'll say the rest of our home is very modern. So I think having a little taste of a more commonly pursued design style will help a little bit. Truly every bathroom on the planet needs a little bit of wood. I picked up this tray. I feel like people are inclined to use coffee table books in the bathroom, but I think that's just such an easy way for them to get ruined. So I'm putting down this tray and it's gonna be a great way for me to sequester decor and things like that. So that say I do need this entire vanity for something, I can just pick it up and move it and I don't have to worry about like storage places. I can just set this on a table somewhere else in my home. And I don't want this entire area to just give mirror, so I want to add some height. So I got this vase, Better Homes and Gardens. I like it because it's white, it works with my overall vibe, very springy, but I have two different faux stem options. I have this option, which is kind of like a pink and orange rice stem, and then I have these. I like these, they kind of give fall to me, but I think the color pairs well with the purple in here. And I think purple and green look so nice together, so I think I'm gonna go with that and maybe try and track down some white stems in my home. But yes, Walmart has like super long stems. I mean, look how big these rice stems are. You can get that dramatic designer look for less. And same thing goes for these stems. They are incredibly tall, so I love how customizable they are. They do not shed, and they really rival designer brands in terms of quality, but they're affordable and accessible from Walmart. And I do want to say huge thanks again to Walmart for sponsoring today's video. So I know you're probably thinking, who knew Walmart had such high quality products? I would say that Walmart is like the hidden interior design gem right now because they have so much home decor, from faux stems to vases to trays to textiles. They have absolutely everything. I have upgraded so many parts of my home, from my bedroom to my living room to my kitchen, using products from Walmart. And you guys know I've been talking about Walmart products for years because I've been talking about the beautiful cookware and kitchen products since like the day that they came out. I love shopping at Walmart because they always have something new. So they have new spring florals, they have new collections. The My Texas House collection that I showed you earlier with that planter just came out with a massive outdoor collection. So whether you want something playful and whimsical, something garden party themed, or something modern, they have something for you. I find that the Better Homes and Gardens collection reads a little bit more transitional or MCM. The My Texas House collection is the perfect blend between the traditional and the modern. And I find that the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore collection is eclectic. So it has a little bit for everyone. So no matter what your interior design style is, you can pick up something from Walmart. I also love that you can shop at Walmart online and in stores, making it really easy to get what you want. Right now, Walmart is focusing on that garden party theme because it's the springtime. People are wanting to be outdoors. So if you're looking to upgrade your outdoor space, I definitely recommend going to Walmart because they have tons of amazing things. Like their new Cambria sofa is amazing, and I do not have an outdoor space, but I almost considered petitioning my HOA to put it in our combined outdoor space. If you want to shop any of the Walmart products that I am sharing in today's video, you can click the link down in my description box to check out my Walmart Creator Storefront. On my Walmart Creator Storefront, you will also see tons of other collections of Walmart items I love. From modern items to bathroom items to seasonally appropriate items, I've curated them into collections that make it super easy for you to shop. So again, click the link in my description box to shop my Walmart Creator Storefront. So I will also say that these stems from Walmart are the easiest ones to trim. I have really bad arthritis, you guys know this, and I can trim them for the most part without having to use scissors, which I really like. Okay, that's cute. And I believe that 2 out of 3 things that you put in a vignette when you're styling any part of the home should be practical. So since I have this vase here, which is impractical, I'm gonna follow it up with some practical items. So I'm going to roll these remaining hand towels so that if someone comes in here and needs to dry their hands, I have hand towels accessible to them. Again, the next item that goes here has to be practical, and I am gonna do this soap dispenser. This is Beautiful by Drew Barrymore. It comes in so many different colors. I like this color because I think it just goes with my overall vibe, obviously. And I love that it kind of repeats the fluting that we have in the tray here. So I put my favorite antibacterial soap in here, and it's just gonna sit right there. If you want to make a bathroom look any type of design style like that, if you want to upgrade it immediately, you need to get some textiles, because your bath towels, your hand towels, those are actually decorative accents. They're functional decorative accents. So that's where you always want to start. Now, of course you can go matchy-matchy, but I like to mix and match because I think it almost acts like pieces of art in different parts of the bathroom. So let me do a run through of what I'm going to use. Again, my theme is like garden party. So first I'm going to go in with this hand towel. It has roses on it. It's pink and green. Obviously, like we are like a pink our daughter out sort of family. So there's tons of pink in her bedroom. So this kind of makes sense. And then the green obviously screams spring, and it also works with the gray vanity. Gray and green pair together really, really beautifully. So I'm going to start with this. Then I picked up this green striped towel. So stripes are such a powerful tool in interior design because they help to elongate or widen a space. And this situation is going to help elongate the space, which is great. We have really, really tall ceilings. I feel like we can lean into that. And again, it's just going to take up space. And there's so much like modern art right now that's just like two-tone stripes. So I'm like, okay, piece of art as well. And then to continue the floral theme, I got this set of green towels. So I got two of these ones, and they are two-tone, so it's green on one side, one on the other, and then it comes with accompanying hand towels. And all the towels that you see here are the Beautiful by Drew Barrymore collection from Walmart. I know when you think of that collection, you kind of think of kitchen products, because you guys know I'm always talking about the Beautiful line because it looks chic and it works really well and it's super affordable. But she also makes bathroom items now and furniture in the whole nine. Drew's doing everything. But I wanted to pick these up because they're buttery soft. I literally was at Walmart on Saturday and I touched every towel that they make, and these were the softest ones. So I said, okay, I'm gonna pick these up. This is also gonna be really helpful because I only switched out some of these, not all of them. So they're not all the same metal or finish. So this is gonna help me sell the look because they're gonna be slightly less noticeable. That looks great. Always gotta tuck the tags in. Something that's so funny is growing up, my grandmother would never let me hang a towel like this. I always had to, I'm gonna show you what I had to do. Fold it in half, and then again, and then again, and then from there, we hang it on the hook, okay? But I'm an adult now, so I'm gonna do it my way. This is my silent protest. I think that this looks better for what I'm going for anyway. I think that this is so darling. And this came in last night and my daughter like was in love with it. She was like, mama, mama, mama. And she kept pointing to it and trying to get to it. So I love that. How cutie. And of course, a critical part of getting everything together is to clean up all of the bath toys, of which we have many. Okay, gotta let this dry out before I roll it up. On right here, I am gonna take my other towel like this. Or no, that's too much. We're just gonna leave that empty. We don't need so many towels. If you're coming to stay, I'll give you a towel. And the final textile I wanna add is a runner. This is Better Homes and Gardens. I love a textured rug like this because I think it hides any dirt. This is like an off-white sort of cream, but it has the solid edge, so it's not gonna fray. And I'm just gonna put this down, honestly, over here because we have really, really low doors. And so it's really hard to get clearance. So I'm just gonna put it right here. I think it's nice. I always like to do something light on the floor in a bathroom just because it does help the bathroom appear larger. But if you have a bathroom that is like large enough, in your vanity area you can use a normal rug, and then over by the shower is where you use a proper bath mat, because if you're in an area where you're not worried about mold and mildew, you can just use a normal rug. And a major pet peeve of mine is a bathroom that doesn't have a trash can in it, because I just don't like that. And the My Texas House collection from Walmart just came out with a new outdoor collection. This is one of their planters, and it looks so high-end. It is ceramic. This is not plastic. It's ceramic. It comes in this cream and also comes in a brown. It's so hefty. My original idea was to use this like with some moss because I ordered some Better Homes and Gardens moss sheets, but now I'm thinking I'm gonna use this as a trash can. So I'm just gonna put like a clear bag in here and put it down here and use this as a trash can. I feel like it brings the garden into the bathroom, right? I feel like that's so cute and fun. So I'm just gonna sit that right here. And I'm personally in the camp that your toilet should never be the star of the show. We kind of want to distract from it as much as we can. A vase like this is too big because when you sit down, you might knock it over, and that seems like a really traumatic time. But I do think it's a good opportunity for some sort of additional illumination. So this is an LED candle. My first idea is to put it in here like that. That looks kind of fun, but I think it also looks a little bit bare. What do you guys think? My second idea is to pair the LED candle with this fluted tapered bowl. Yeah, I think that's really cute. These are so cute. I got 2 of these. My original idea was to use these plate hangers and hang them on the wall, but honestly I got too afraid to stretch the springs, but I'm still gonna try right now. No, I'm gonna give up. I'm afraid I'm gonna hurt myself, but that looks cute anyway, so why would I ruin it if it's already working? So I conquered my fear of the plate hanger, and I'm going to hang these on the wall. I think they're just gonna add like a little bit of texture. I think this wall is screaming for some texture. It doesn't have to have like something in the middle, although you could print out a round piece of art and kind of Mod Podge it in there. I'm gonna take the nail and put it in here so I don't hurt my nails. My nails have already seen better days. Look at that. The goal is to try to make sure that they are spaced evenly so that they can hang correctly, but I'll just hang that one there, right? That's so fun. Is it even? Who knows? And since I obviously used what was on the toilet on the wall, I remembered that I also picked this up. This is a little soap dish, and it's the same green that I have on my towels. So I'm actually just gonna use this here with my candle. Let me dust my candle off. Perfect. And now the bathroom is done. It is now 12:18. I think we did a pretty good job. It also involved me. I got distracted, whatever. So this entire refresh took me about 20 minutes, to be honest. I'm a distracted girly, but I think it looks great for the photos. I think it looks perfect for my like garden party theme. And I think it ties in beautifully with our daughter's room. So I hope my realtor likes it. I'll be sure to let you know, but let me know down in the comments if you think that this is gonna look great for our listing photos. If you want to shop any of the products from Walmart that I shared in today's video, be sure to click the link in my description box and head over to my Walmart creator storefront. I have everything from this makeover link there. I did an awesome makeover for my sister-in-law, that's linked over there, and I'm always updating it with new drops, collections, anything that I think looks cool from Walmart, I'm gonna put it over there. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and until next time, have a beautiful day.